So I finally got the files converted from Friday night's snowstorm into files that I can edit. These were taken about 2 hours after the snow started falling. Unfortunately, due to the fact that it was nighttime and depending on where I was, some of the quality of the video isn't very good because of light issues and wind and stuff like that, but that's what I get for filming outside. But I hope you enjoy a little bit of what Halifax winters are like. So here you go. So these are the first steps out into the backyard. It's snowing. First step, see? As you can see, it's pretty snowy outside. All this snow has actually fallen in the last couple of hours. It probably started about 2 hours ago, and we're up to about 10, maybe about 5 centimeters. As you can see, it's pretty winter wonderlandy out there. It's very cold, but I'm actually on my way to go to the corner store to see what I can pick up. It's quite cold, as you can tell. I'm not wearing any gloves, which I should probably put this on. But I wanted to give those island people an idea of what it's like in the winter in Halifax. And this is just the beginning, guys. Look at that wind, guys. Look at all this. It's really fucking cold. My hands are going numb. There's not a whole lot out here. It's pretty wet, and as you can see, not a lot of people are actually out. So yeah. But this is winter in Halifax, guys, and I think everyone should come out to it and come visit. Alright? 10 minutes later. So guys, I got everything that I wanted. Wow, that wind is cold. Got everything that I wanted. I got some wonderful cheese cracker stick things, and I got some chocolate milk, which is exactly what I was hoping for, to be honest. And I'm just heading home. I'm just covered in snow just for 2 seconds out. Oh, look at the taxi! So, it's cold out, guys. I hope you're gonna enjoy these videos of Halifax in the winter. There's someone sliding across. Anyway, you guys are pretty lucky to experiencing something like this with me, because not many people do this. Not many people just go out of their way to get some chocolate milk from a corner store just so that they can make a vlog for you. There's very few people out right now, seeing as it is 12:30 at night, I think. But for those that are braving this cold weather, I salute you. And there's my feet. Give you a basic idea of how deep the snow is. So remember how I came here, past here earlier? My tracks from earlier are completely covered. You can barely see the first step. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed that video of me in the snow. I'll get this up as soon as possible. So that's just a basic idea of what we had to endure Friday night. I will have more videos and more pictures of the aftermath that I took with my cell phone. So I will get those up whenever, and I hope everything's well, and I hope you enjoyed it.